The 2026 Kawasaki Z900RS continues the brand's iconic legacy by blending retro design with advanced modern technology. Ever since its introduction, the Z900RS has symbolized the perfect balance between heritage and innovation. The 2026 model refines that formula even further, offering the soul of the original 1970s Z1 with the performance and sophistication of a 21st-century machine. Kawasaki has carefully updated every detail, without losing the nostalgic essence that riders fell in love with. Engine and performance. Underneath its classic curves lies the same 948 cubic centimeters inline-four engine, now tuned for a smoother and more responsive power delivery. It produces around 110 horsepower and offers strong mid-range torque, making it a joy to ride whether you're cruising the city or carving mountain roads. Kawasaki's engineers have optimized the fuel mapping and intake system for improved efficiency and lower emissions, aligning the bike with the latest Euro 6 standards. The 2026 Z900RS also introduces ride-by-wire technology for enhanced throttle precision. Combined with adjustable riding modes, Sport, Road, Rain, and Rider, Custom, it allows riders to tailor the bike's performance to their exact preferences. The refined assist and slipper clutch reduces hand fatigue and prevents wheel hop during aggressive downshifts, ensuring total control and confidence at all times. Design and craftsmanship. Kawasaki's design team has once again nailed the retro-modern balance. The Z900RS's styling draws direct inspiration from the legendary 1972 Z1, featuring a sculpted teardrop fuel tank, round LED headlight, and twin analog-style gauges. For 2026, the bike receives new metallic paint schemes, including candy emerald green and deep copper brown, both paired with classic striping that pays homage to the original Z1. The attention to detail is exceptional: polished aluminum accents, a redesigned tail section, and chrome touches around the engine give it a premium, timeless appeal. Every curve and contour on the Z900RS tells a story of Kawasaki's rich heritage, yet the bike still looks futuristic enough to turn heads at any modern cafe stop. Technology and connectivity. Despite its classic appearance, the 2026 Z900RS is fully loaded with modern technology. The new TFT full-color display replaces the previous semi-digital cluster, offering crisp visibility in all lighting conditions. It also supports Bluetooth connectivity through Kawasaki's Radiology app, allowing riders to monitor performance stats, maintenance schedules, and even adjust settings directly from their smartphone. The bike also features LED lighting all around, giving improved visibility while maintaining that vintage round headlight look. Additionally, the refined Showa suspension setup delivers a smoother and more composed ride, offering perfect balance between sporty handling and everyday comfort. Safety and rider aids. Safety has always been a priority for Kawasaki, and the 2026 Z900RS raises the bar. It comes standard with Kawasaki Traction Control, KTRC, dual-channel ABS, and improved cornering ABS that provides stability even during hard braking in curves. The braking system, featuring dual 300mm front discs and a 250mm rear disc, offers sharp yet predictable stopping power. For those who crave a bit more tech, the optional quickshifter allows clutchless upshifts and downshifts, enhancing performance and making gear changes seamless. The improved chassis geometry and lightweight trellis frame contribute to superior agility, while the Dunlop Roadsport 2 tires offer excellent grip and durability on all road surfaces. Comfort and riding experience. The ergonomics of the 2026 Z900RS have been slightly refined for better comfort during long rides. The seat height and handlebar position have been adjusted to reduce rider fatigue, making it equally suitable for daily commuting and long-distance touring. The plush seat design ensures both rider and passenger comfort, and vibration dampening across the handlebars adds an extra layer of refinement. Every ride on the Z900RS feels engaging yet relaxing, a rare combination in the modern motorcycle world. It's not just about speed, it's about emotion, connection, and that timeless feeling of freedom that only a true retro bike can offer. Final thoughts. The 2026 Kawasaki Z900RS is not just a motorcycle, it's an experience, a tribute to one of the most influential bikes in history. With its perfect fusion of classic styling, modern performance, and cutting-edge technology, the Z900RS continues to define what a modern classic should be. It's a bike that satisfies both the nostalgic heart and the performance-hungry soul. If you want a machine that captures attention, delivers excitement, and pays respect to the golden age of motorcycling, all while embracing the future, the 2026 Z900RS is your answer. Bike Lane, your daily dose of motorcycle passion. Ride smart. Ride free.